Yeah. Oh, pa kung nasan ka man, dyan ka na lang. Joke lang. Coffee, people, nature, adventure. Panalo. Ito po yung family villa, tama po ba? Guys, look at this view. Grabe, oh. Para ka nasa New Zealand. Ooh, look who made it. Tour mo kayo, mami. Hello, Clingers! We're here at
Gang Glamping
Zambales! Ito kasama natin sila, Sir Chester po, no? At si Ma'am Tessa, Miss Tessa, sila mga nag-manage. Ayan, dito tayo sa Villa 4. Ito po yung family villa, tama po ba? Oh, may mga camping table and chairs. Buti lang, di na magdala. Dipping pool, nice. Tapos may kawa, perfect. Hot bath.
Combine po ito ng dalawang villa eh. Pagka big groups, ina-open po namin ito.
Okay. Yan, tour mo kayo, mami. Oh, nice. It's queen size po to, no?
Yes, sir.
Yay!
I love it.
You love it?
Oh. We're famous.
Sa gabi, meron po tayong projector.
Dito.
Pwede po kayo manood.
Here's another A-type villa.
Wow, lalo. Camping, loving, and rubber.
Kasama namin ang aming kaibigan, sila Rain and Rob.
Cucumber and iced tea.
Okay, syempre ako photographer muna. Tapos they have shower area here. The shower area is very nice also. So this is the villa where we're staying. They actually just connected it, diba? Per villa, may sariling CR and then sink. And then bonfire pit. Hi, nice to meet you po. Good afternoon po. Ayan, tuloy natin yung tour natin guys since we're here na rin. We have Villa 1. So yun, magkakamukha sila actually. Iisa ang tema. Ah, ito yung may ano, for the kids, no? So pwedeng tulugan doon. Okay. Sobrang ganda ng view dito. As in, panalo. And this is, ano po ito? Function hall. So may mga events din po kayo na ginagawa.
Pwede pong mag-birthday.
Wow. So guys, if you want a wedding with this very beautiful view, perfect. Kung kayo yung mga mahilig sa camping, mahilig sa nature, yes.
Did I go to the trampoline? It's free naman eh.
Gaano po katagal si Gang Glamping?
Actually, si Gang Glamping po, sir, start na last April. Last year, April lang.
Oh.
So, 1 year lang po.
Oy, happy anniversary!
Dati po kasi si Gang Glamping, unang-unang hitsura niya po is puro lang to tent. Wala po
Okay.
mga villa.
Oh, okay.
So,
Tapos nag-evolve.
resort na siya konti.
Oh, nice. Guys, aside from this, yung nakabakod na area, meron pa dito sa labas. Tapos may mga pine trees doon, no? Hanggang doon po, pwede? Oh,
Sir, pwede po tayo maglagay po ng tent dyan.
oh, okay. Magtito na, magkuya pa. Nag-aaro ka ganyan, so? Hindi man. Bumili pa si Papa ng paganto sa bahay dati. Tapos yun, nag-aaro ako. Pero di ako magaling, sakto lang. And syempre, extended ang The Clingy fam. Meet my brother. You know, artista na yan. And of course, my first ever pamangkin, Gibby.
I'm having a great time here and you can see it because of my sweat.
Paano po pag o-order ng food?
Meron po tayong radio. May radio.
Ay, yung radio na nandun sa tabi ng, ng bed. Tapos, siserve na lang din dito sa villa. So, lahat po taga ng mga dining dito sa villa na rin yun ginagawa.
Minsan dun sa function natin.
Okay lang din po gamitin yun. For free na po yun.
Yes, po.
Okay, nice. Thank you mga sir. They have here nachos made of potato chips. Ito yung best seller daw nila dito.
Fries, but I don't want the burger.
Okay. You said, what are you having there?
Also burger and fries.
Okay. Hi, madam.
Hi.
Madam. Yeah, these are friends, Lalaine and Rob.
Hello! Inom na tayo?
Donuts from Tita Lalaine. A Feastables. You're so spoiled. Ano tayo? Thank you so much. Look at that view, guys. The time now is 5:45. You know? Good try, my boy. Yeah. Ako, guys, di ako marunong mag-basketball eh. Pero I wanna learn kasi si Sed nga. Pero yan, may Tito Nelson to the rescue. You know, patak! Sasamahan tayo ni Ate Rose para mag-tour sa labas. So ito, guys, pwedeng i-access ng mga... Basta registered ka sa gang glamping, pwede kayo mag-tent dito, no?
Ako. Tapos pwede rin po mag breakfast po sa umaga. Dadalhin po yung
yung table.
And camping chair po.
Hanggang saan? Dito?
Pwede din po dyan.
Oh, okay. Guys, look at this view. Grabe, oh. Sobrang ganda. I'm not exaggerating it. Para ka nasa New Zealand. Panalo. Nice. Tapos ito, may pailog. Wanna go to the river?
Sure.
Okay, wait for daddy. Ilog tayo, kuya? Girls, ilog tayo.
Let's pet the cow. I want to pet the cow.
Pet the cow. I go fish, oh look, fish. And just like that, gabi na. So yung mood, sarap. Sobrang relaxing. Panalo. Nakakapag-relax ka sa...
Yes.
Dito tayo magdi-dinner. Oh, sinampalukang manok. Wow.
Dalawa nag-order pa kami.
Tapos chicken. Good. Yang chow fried rice. And what is this, bro?
Nuggets.
Nuggets? Plain rice. Oh, I bet I will order extra. And then another sinigang na manok. Sinampalukang manok. This is Larry's favorite. And then kare-kare. How's the kare-kare, mahal? Good. Stella, how's your food?
Good.
How's your food, my boy? Good. How's the food? Good. How's the food, sa?
축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 마리가야 마리가야 마리가야
Thanks to my millionaire friends, Rob and Lalaine, and Gang Glamping. I love you very much. My wish.
Don't say it out loud, otherwise you won't come true.
Okay, there. I am gonna keep it to myself. Bonfire night! Habang nagmo-movie night. They have this projector, oh. Perfect. They have big mallows.
Put it in the fire like this.
And just like that, day 2 here at Gang Glamping. Meron tayong tosilog, spam silog, bang silog, tap silog, plus coffee. I'm really liking this place, mommy, no? Kasi guys, it's so relaxing. It's not like, you know, parang sobrang bonggang lugar. Pero it's really perfect for relaxing. It's really perfect na naka-chillax ka lang. Tapos ito, meron pa pala sila ditong Anyong Coffee. Coffee Cafe. Imagine, oh. Having coffee. Tapos ayun yung view mo. May baka. May ilog. Coffee, people, nature, adventure. Panalo. Ganda! Yay! The Clingy Fam Extended featuring Ate Bri in the house. Alri boy! Thumbs up muna! Thumbs up! Yun!
With my papa.
Yay! Kasama si Papa.
Mas pogi siya dun sa isa.
Woo! Saan? Oh, pa kung nasan ka man, dyan ka na lang. Joke lang. First outing with Papa sa picture frame. I love you very much, Papa. So yan guys, sila mama muna yung magla-lunch kasi we just had our breakfast. To ay family set meal. Up to 4 people, pero kami umaabot ng 6 eh. Kain na. Kaka-breakfast na namin kuya, so mamaya na kami. Okay guys, for the food, para may idea kayo, yung set 1, 3 to 4 packs is only 989 pesos. Yung set 2, 6 to 7 packs, 1,500. Yung 9 to 10 packs, 2,219. Sobrang okay na siya, sobrang panalo. There are a lot of other options pa. They even have yung mga tig 89 pesos na meal, 89ers. Prepare yun, tawag?
Prepare pa nga. Prepare talaga.
Prepare talaga. Pero kay Papa prepare.
Ay, di na shoot.
Ayun o, si ate ang expert sa amin dito. Si Bunso tsaka ako. Tamang kahiyan lang kay Papa pagdating dito. Oh! 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 Ah, mali ako, mali. Hindi pala kahiyan. Yun o. Oh, yun o. Na-conscious. So yun guys, if you have the time, if you have the means naman, you do this. You do something like this more often.
Connect with
Connect with nature and connect with your family. And yeah, I'm just glad na we're here at Gang Glamping. Sobrang perfect. Sobrang much needed. Although, to be honest, by this time. Nakita ko yung picture ni Papa kanina. Parang, oh my gosh. Pero yan, may kamukha naman si Papa, nakapalit. So, pwede na rin. Galing! Papa, oh, kahiyan sa ito pa. Joke lang. So, yun guys, spend more time. Di ba, mami, no? So, this place is really perfect for big group, no? No, like, we're having lunch here. Kaya nag-lunch na sila. Nag-alaro naman sila doon. We got the... Yeah. Ayan. Dinner namin to kahapon, pero umorder kami ulit. Kasi masarap talaga siya. Kain na tayo. Good morning guys! Dito kami natulog nila mami sa tent. Ang ganda ng tent nila. Sobrang comfy. Tapos kita yung stars. So this time, what are we gonna do?
We're gonna go hiking.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Let's go! Ayan, kasama natin si Gian. Siya ang ating tour guide. Morning view here at Gang Glamping. Although medyo late na nga eh.
I'm ready to swim, guys.
Mami ko pala, sasali. Wow! First time ni mami kasi ito eh.
Look at that. Ooh, look who made it. How's your experience going up?
That's great. I went first.
You went first. You, how's your experience going up with your swimming attire? My boy made it. Fist bump. He made it, but no more energy. Woo! Look at this view, guys, oh, on top of this mountain. Let's go back to mommy.
Thank you, Lord.
Hey, after a tiring hike, time to dip to the pool. Bye, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye to Ninong daw.
Ninong?
Ninong.
Bye, Ninong.
Bye, Ninong.
Nagbabay na ako sa Ninong bibing.
Yun na yun, final. And just like that, we're going home. Grabe.
Yeah.
Parang ayoko na muli. So, yan. Getting ready. Ayos kuya? Ayos? Yay! Beach time before we go home.
Dad, when you're here, can you join me there?
Yeah. This is actually that part of the plan. Pero may malapit na beach, like around 30 minutes from Gang Glamping.
Let's talk about love, like you and me all night, and let's talk about love.